this small Irish town will heal the cracks of your soul. You're planning for a visit to Ireland. This town has everything you need. Beach, cliffs, restaurants, good pubs, nice food. Welcome to the beautiful Kilkee town. If I'm being honest, I wasn't feeling well yesterday, so I said maybe there are cracks in my soul and they need to be healed. So I decided to come to Kilkee. To let you know, this is the 5th time for me in this town, only this year. So this place is kind of ritual for me. Every year, at least once, I come to this place. I enjoy the day and I go back home to Galway. So today, I'm gonna take you. Maybe this trip is what you need for this week. So you can feel, maybe there are small cracks in your soul as well. And this place, the beauty of this place, will heal you. Without further delay, let's dive in. This is the start of the town. It's just one street, it's a small town. But as I said, it will give you exactly what you need. So first, let's grab some coffee, shall we?
I wish I could
Sorry. Hiya, I get none. Can I have Americano takeaway, please?
Perfect. Is that everything?
Yeah.
$3.50, so please. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now we got our coffee, so all good to go now. But first thing first, to get here, well, I will mention again Galway. So it takes around 1.5 hours to get here from Galway, and you can take two roads, either N68 or N67. N67, it's very beautiful, so you can stop on the way. You'll see cliffs. This town has very nice cliffs, so we will get into that as well. Stay tuned. So first, let me show you around what's in front of me. So today is Sunday, and it's in the afternoon, so you might see it. It's not crowded. It's very quiet today. Scott's pub. I don't know, I have never been here in this pub. Look at this beauty here. Lovely day for a Guinness. Well, I think every day is a lovely day for the black stuff. And this is also on this side, art gallery, but I suppose it's closed. Let's see. Yeah, unfortunately it's closed, but look at this beauty here. Like the colors here make you feel better. Here it says traditional fish and chips. I had a lot of fish and chips this year. I don't know, maybe there will be crisis in the country because of me and having every time fish and chips. But this place, there is a restaurant here called Hickey's Bar and Restaurant. It has unbelievably tasty, delicious fish and chips. Highly recommended. Though they are not sponsoring this video, just to let you know. Look at this pub here again. It's another beautiful one. It's Miles Creek. You see this one, it's like what I'm showing now, the Greyhound Bar. So usually they have live music here. I don't know if I'm gonna stay till the evening, but if I'm staying, I'll see. But at the moment it's closed. So this is pretty much this one street, and then you get here This is the roundabout. What I'm trying to show you. You can see over there, if you see my finger. So those over there on the top, that's where you find the cliffs. For me, these cliffs maybe are the most beautiful and peaceful cliffs. The restaurant actually I mentioned, they have very nice fish and chips. The last time I tried, like it was 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I came here and I brought my friends to show them this place. They fell in love with this place, I'm telling you. So maybe it will be the case for you as well. You will find yourself deeply falling in love with this place. And in the middle of the town, you will find some people are selling like jackets. And here you can find some books. Let me show you. Do you remember these cassettes? Oh my god.
You know, that is the only thing.
This is so nice. I remember back then, back in the day, we had this type of recorder or player or whatever it's called. It was terrible. It was just terrible. It used to mess up with the cassettes. And here you have books, actually. You can get yourself some book if you like reading. Say No More and Woman's Eyes. Oh jeez. Makes sense anyway. You might find something interesting for yourself here. I don't know, it's like many books. But this place actually got me. It has a lot of memories, you know, like I'm gonna take you for a walk beside the beach and you can see it for yourself, how beautiful it is. And here's the beach for yourself. So sometimes you can find people are swimming. Like I'd like to say it's very Irish thing. Even in winter you can find some people going for a dip. You can see people are walking their dogs or just walking beside the water. And you can see there are cars here. They bring the boats and then they pull them away. And guys, the breeze here is very nice. I can't describe it. I think there are no words can be put together to describe this breeze here. I can tell you guys, this breeze can bring everything together and fix all your troubles and the cracks of your soul, maybe if you have any. Now I'm at the cliffs. It takes around 20 minutes to get here, like on foot. So it's a small town, like you can reach the other part, like I can show you now. You see, that's another cliffs over there, and then that's the town. And then if you take this side, which is like right and left, so you will be here. But anyway, both sides you can walk. It's all walking distance. And in front of me, now I'll show you. This is called pollock holes, I suppose. So you'll find people actually are swimming. But now the tide is low. The tide is low, so when it comes back, so you will not see these holes anyway. And now I will take you. We will go straight to the cliffs. And if you're coming, you see over there that's a nice cafe, and just behind me that's car park. So you can just park your car for £3 anyway. So this is my second video actually here. So the first video I made, that was like a couple months ago when I was just new and starting. I'll leave it in the description below so you can check it out if you would like to. So here you can see, this is just, you can walk here and there's the walking path over there. But anyway, I like the rocks here. These colors just are attracting the eyes. And I can give you drone footage. if I'm being honest, I like Kilkee Cliffs more than Cliffs of Moher for multiple of reasons. Over there it's more touristy. Here is more local, quieter and calmer, so you get to enjoy more. And it's also free of charge. You don't pay, just you pay for the park if you're coming by car. And it's raw, so you won't find actually any barriers between you and the cliffs. And I'll show you in a minute something extremely beautiful, stunning. So bear with me for a minute. So you come here to the edge. Let me show you guys. This is amazing. This is beautiful. So actually you're coming here, and this is the view you get from here. And over there you see that's a bench. It's a very beautiful bench and has a very nice view. Basically this is the bench, and this is, I suppose, one of the most beautiful views you can have in Ireland. And here's, you see, greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. Katrina Lucas, rest in peace. It's friendship. It's friendship, my friends. And I will leave a story about friendship at the end of the video, so you can enjoy it. It's one of my favorite stories of all time. I hope you will like it. So you keep walking, and then the more actually you walk, the view gets better. If I could recommend one place to visit and see, this is it. It's Kilkee and Kilkee Cliffs. 100%, no doubt about it. You can come here and spend like a week, I suppose, and basically you don't need anything else. You have everything you need. You have cliffs, you have beach, you have the town. Great crack. So now take a look at this. Take a look at this beauty. Now, as you see, the tide is low. Today is not raining, but I suppose the rain is coming for us. So hopefully I get to show you what I want to show you. And then if it starts raining, then we don't mind. And over here you have another bench which also has very beautiful view. Look at this beauty here. Look. It's amazing, isn't it? So actually you can go down there anyway, and that's I suppose that's the highest point on the cliffs. But you can go, it's 4 kilometers, and then you get to some point you can't walk anymore, but there's a road you can drive, and there's a viewing point. It's like sunset over there if you see. So now I'm gonna show you the most beautiful part, maybe for me, not for you, but you'll get to see it in a second. So basically what happens is you keep walking and walking, and then you come here, and there are stairs. You can take them and go down, and basically you can touch the ocean, but please be careful. It's dangerous, it's risky, but you will see now with me. Now look at this here. So while you're walking, so you take these stairs, and then you keep going. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. So now if you take the left side, so you get very close and you can touch actually the water, but I will take you to the right now and show you. So you can see the town from distance. I don't know if the camera is showing because I can't see, the screen is small. So you come here and you get this view here. Oh my God. the edge and enjoy, you see. Well, actually, what's funny to mention, I lost my drone exactly here. So it fell over there, like it was like 10-15 meters away from me, and it couldn't, and the battery died. Yeah, so I lost a baby here, but now I have another baby. So basically, you come here with a lot of bags of troubles. I mean, I don't mean this bag. This bag is full of my gear and equipment and cameras, so I'm not gonna risk that. I mean troubles. And you throw them here, and you go back home relaxed and chilled. It's beautiful, isn't it? Two friends served together on the battlefield. When the fighting broke out, one of them was badly injured and fell between the lines, trapped under the fire. As bullets flew, the other soldier begged his commanding officer, "Sir, please let me go and get him." The officer said, "You will only throw your life away. Your friend is probably dead." But the soldier couldn't accept that. He crawled out into the open through mud and chaos and somehow dragged his friend back to safety. The officer, furious and shaken, said, "I told you it wasn't worth it. Your friend is already dead, and now you're injured as well." The soldier looked up and whispered, "No, sir, it was worth it. When I reached him, he was still alive and said to me, 'I knew you would come.'" Well, if you need to see more beauty of Mother Ireland, so you can check just the video up here. Slán go fóill.